Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir classes. So in today's video we will be solving a question of mathematical statistics. So the question is, a fair coin is tossed 4 times. So a fair coin is tossed 4 times. Let x denote the number of heads occurring. Let x denotes the number of head occurrings and y denotes the longest string of heads occurring. Longest heads occurring. Now determine the joint distribution of x and y. So how do we do it? For this, first I will write down. In order to write down the joint distribution, we have to make this graph. I will take y here, I will take x here. Now x can take the values as follows: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is total. And y can take the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y can take these values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because x takes the number of head occurring, that is, if 4 consecutive tossed, that is, a fair coin is tossed 4 times, this it may appear a 4 tail. So there are no h, so we'll denote it at 0. When there is one h, say th, tt, we denote it at 1. When there are 2, we denote it at 2, and the maximum case could be h, 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 h. Similarly, y denotes the longest string of heads occurring, so which can take place as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will find the joint probability distribution. Now for 0, 0, it will be 1 by 16. This will be 0. This will be 0, 0, 0. This will be 0, 0. Sorry for the 16, 0, 0 we can find. Now in a minute I will explain how do we do it. This will be 0. So now how do we find this? See, if 4 tosses takes place, so we can have 4 heads, or we can have head, 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 tail. We can have head, head, tail, head. We can have head, tail, head, head. We can have tail, head, head, head. This way we can have 16 possibilities. So 16 will be there. Now in what case x and y will be 1 by 16, that is, when the x is 0, that is, the number of x is 0, the number of y is also 0, will be the case where t, 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 t. So it is only one case where y is 0, that is, the maximum string of h will be 0, and also the x 0, which is the number of head, is 0 in this particular option. Similarly, when if you try to find one head and then there will be cases where only one head found, it will be 4 cases. If you solve it this way, we will find it. Now for your better understanding, I can simply do it for you. I will take another page so that I can actually show you what will be the values. Okay, so in order to do it, first I will write down. So after 4 tosses, we can have 4 heads. We can have head, 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 tail. We can have head, head, tail, head. We can have head, tail, head, head. We can have tail, head, head, head. We can also have head, tail, tail, tail. We can have tail, head, head, tail. We can have tail, 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 head. We can have tail, head, tail, head. We can have head, tail, head, tail. So far we have been able to manage to find 5 and 5, 10. So there will be 16 other possibilities. So that we have to find. So it can also be tail, 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 tail. It can be tail, tail, head. So simply this way we can have all these 16 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have all these 16 possibilities. So if you remember, in the first case it was x equals to 0, that is number of head equals to 0, and number of y was equals to 0. That is the maximum number of head, that is say head, 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 was 0. So in this case it was a case where x is equals to 0, that is no head, there is only one case. So this is why we had written 1 by 16. Now in case of x equals to 1 and y equals to 1, that is the maximum number of head, or there was at least one head. It was the case where one head case was this 1, 2, 3, 4, so it is in 4 cases that we have found it to be 4 by 16. So this is why we have written it to be 4 by 16. Similarly, if you try to find x equals to 2, that is when x is 2, we'll find it 3 by 16. So this way, if you go to the question what we are doing, in this diagram we have written it this way. Now if you take the total of this, we'll get the total to be 1 by 16, 4 by 16, 6 by 16, 4 by 16 and 1 by 16. The summation of this will be 1, and this will be 1 by 16, 7 by 16, 7 by 16, and the summation of this is 5 by 16, and this is 2 by 16, and this will be 1 by 16. So this way we can form the distribution for this. So today we solved a question from mathematical statistics. I hope you guys understood what I did. First we had to write down all the possibilities. So we have written down 16 possibilities. Then from there we have written the probabilities that when there is x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly here for y, and we have take the total of it. Now the summation of probability is always equals to 1. So we have found it to be 1. So it is a right answer. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query, you can WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076. Or you can also go to our website, which is www.souravsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get a lot of other materials for mathematical statistics. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.